Hello there guys, and welcome back. So today guys, we're going to prevent any further spread of the rust on these steel wheels. So first things first, we're going to remove the wheel covers. We need to tackle them gently and eventually they will pop out. I'm using Bill Hamber's Surfax HD. It's an all-purpose cleaner and a degreaser as well, and we're going to remove as much dirt off the steel wheel as we can. You might need to do this process several times depending on how dirty the steel wheel is. I did it twice. Just try to do what you can in order just to remove any contamination of the surface prior to applying our chemical in the next few steps. Now that the wheel have been rinsed off, we're going to wait for them to dry and we're going to do the next wheels. So the product we're going to use today is Hammerite Rust, and we're going to apply it with a brush, and it can be applied directly onto the rust, and what it does is it chemically reacts with the rust and it prevents it from further spread, and it creates a black film on top of the rust that can be painted over. It's a really nice product to use on bare metal that has been rusted. Can be used on the body of the car as well. Any metal surface really. As soon as you applied it, it needs 15 to 20 minutes to dry. And as you can see, the results are quite amazing. The wheel is not perfect. You can paint it afterwards. However, I'm just going to leave it at that. Put my wheel caps on, and it's a pretty straightforward process, guys. Anybody can do it. So, and I think it significantly improves the look. So thank you for watching the video guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next videos.